In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable the damage counter here in Blox Foods. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you don't know, enabling the damage counter here in Blox Foods is actually really simple. The first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously make sure that you're loaded into Blox Foods, just because this setting is in the game itself and not a setting on Roblox. Once you do get in, select either Pirates or Marines. And after you do fully get loaded in, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually find the left side of the screen. And if you look very closely, there's actually going to be a little settings icon here. Select that settings icon. The specific setting that you're looking for on here is going to be the section that says counter off. Go ahead and select that counter off setting and toggle it to on just like so. And it should look something like that. Now, whenever you deal damage here in Blox Foods, you're going to go ahead and see the damage icons pop up just like so. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It lets us know that you want more specific Blox Foods content just like this. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.